The Backrack SLR headache rack isn't your normal headache rack. This thing offers the serious cab protection that you demand, all with a minimal profile that complements the subtle contours of your truck. It stands out boldly thanks to its built-in taillights, which not only add style, but enhances safety. And when you're out on the road, safety is of the utmost importance. Crafted from the sturdiest materials and coated with a specialized corrosion-resistant finish, the SLR is engineered to withstand even the harshest elements, ensuring that your rack stays protected for the long haul. And on top of that, the SLR series is engineered to fit on a variety of truck models. This rack features a fully welded frame with these integrated slats that offer superior protection for your cab and rear glass, all while preserving the visibility of your third brake light. The rack's upper frame comes pre-drilled, making it a breeze to add auxiliary lighting, giving you the flexibility to customize your truck's look even further. And it's compatible with a wide range of bed covers using our exclusive optional bed cover brackets, making it a truly versatile addition to your truck. If you want to know more about the Backrack SLR headache rack or just need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.